Hello and welcome, I'm Nate542 and in this video I'm going to be talking about printables.com. Okay, so as you can see I've got an email here from Printables, which is a website by Joseph Prusa, a 3D printer manufacturer who kind of pioneered a lot of the 3D printers in this space, the i3, that kind of stuff. I've received this email through and I want to go and have a look at printables.com to see if this is a better website than Thingiverse, Yegi, all these other ones that you have out there. So let's have a look. Okay, so right off the bat, I've logged in, or not logged in, I've loaded up Printables, and it doesn't support my dark reader, which is fine. Maybe they have their own dark mode. I do prefer using dark mode just because I feel like it looks better, but maybe a little bit less bad on the eyes. Well, they're saying that it's not white, I don't think. The background of this is white. This is kind of like a darker off-white, so it's not as brightening as it could be, I guess. So to scroll down, yeah, I mean the front page looks fine. It looks like a normal website to me. It looks like a normal one of these kinds of websites. 3D models. What's it saying? Okay. So I mean, the look of it, there's a lot of things on the left side that you can configure, it seems. Can you do it by publish time, featured ones? Show only featured models. Well, that's quite nice. Awesome bee feeder. I mean, this is looking pretty good. There's a lot of stuff on here centered around the Prusa printer type stuff, like you have here the mega extruder rotators. So looking on this bit here, it's quite a nice, easy to use interface, kind of like the other one. Well, this was a picture that someone else has uploaded, so obviously it depends on how they upload that picture, but there are reviews you can report. Okay, that's cool. Wait, so can you report if someone else... Okay, there's an error here. I found an error for your website, Mr. Prusa. It's invalid domain for site key. Well, I'll get that looked at. The license is licensed under Creative Commons, so you can put licenses on these things, which is really good as well. Sharing without attribution is not allowed. You could, so, okay, so yeah, it points out the things that you can and can't do. So yeah, a little bit of background about me. It's been a little while since I've done a 3D printing type video. I do still do 3D printing. I still really do enjoy it. I don't really know what to say around the topic at the moment, so I kind of just didn't, which is probably a bad thing to do, especially if you're trying to create a community around 3D printing. But here we go. I'm going to try again with the 3D printing side of things because I really do enjoy it, and it is a nice hobby to have. So anyone out there who is doing 3D printing and stuff, let me know what you want to see, and I'll see if I can make it happen. Because I am looking to get the upgrade for the Prusa, which allows you to do up to 5 different colors at once. I will hopefully get that in the next coming months. And I'll probably do a live stream build of that, or the addition for that, the upgrade. Hopefully it doesn't require too much. Oh, look at that. So many wheels. Open source spool holder and storage system by Repcord. That is really nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, I mean, I wish I could have that many spools. I don't have the space for that. I've only got a small room. But yeah, you can see. I'll probably do a desk tour at some point soon, and maybe even a room tour with all the 3D printer stuff and all that stuff that I've done now. It's come a long way since the last time, I think. Cable tag set, that's pretty nice. Okay, so now I'm just rating stuff that's on here. This is kind of going a little bit off topic. So you can do it by G code filtration. So what? So It comes pre-G code? That can't be right, can it? Circular sock knitting machine. That's pretty cool. Oh, I don't know what that is, but that sounds pretty cool. So if I do it by SLA, let's see. Buttons al dente. Oh my god, this is like so on buttons. That's pretty cool. We're going to to downloads, and you actually have the print files G code. I don't know if they put this part together or if you have to upload the G code for one that you have printed and it did work. But I will find out soon because I'm going to put my stuff on here. So, can you download all model files? You can. And does that actually work? You have to sign up for it. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. I've logged in. All right, cool. So I pressed the button, and now I've got a zip file with all the bits. It has all the bits. That's great. Okay, so that is nice to know, because for Thingiverse, you have to download everything individually now because they can't be asked to fix their system, which is a bit annoying. Not gonna lie, but you know, they don't really want to fix their system, and you know, it gives great ability for competitors like this to show up and actually do something with it. There was also a couple of ones like My Mini Factory, things like that. So what I've done on here now, it's been a little bit of time, I will say. I went on to my profile, and what I've done is I have connected my designs, which weren't, you know, that great. Like I've got a couple of models or whatever, and I've published them on here from Thingiverse. So you just it automatically pulls the stuff from Thingiverse and uploads it with the thumbnails and stuff like that you've already put into it, which is pretty nice. I'm quite happy with that, and it seems to work quite nicely as well. Saying that, I don't know if it actually did pull my screenshots. It did. There's my screenshot. Oh, okay. I might have to go through these and actually update that. But yeah, so when you upload stuff onto here, you can earn Prusa meters, which you can earn just by doing standard stuff like downloading, having models that get downloaded and stuff like that. So model reaches 30 downloads and 3 likes, you get 10 of these. And once your Prusament spool has 350 Prusa meters. Oh, sorry, one Prusament spool has 350 Prusa meters. So I don't know if I win a free spool. Collect Prusa meters for various actions and achievements. You can exchange Prusa meters for a real spool of Prusament filament or other physical rewards. That's pretty cool. That's a good way to get people on board because, yeah, here we go. So 350 of this will equal one actual spool of this kind of stuff. Or a t-shirt for slightly less. That's really cool. I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I'm going to leave this for a little bit. I'm going to get used to it. I'm going to see how it goes. You guys have a go on it as well. Let me know how it goes for you guys because it's very interesting. There's a lot of new stuff on here. I've only kind of touched the surface here, maybe not even touched the surface, but I'm just pointing it out as a place that is very interesting now. So yeah, jump on, have a go, do some searching. Let's have actually, I will do a quick search. What do I want? A Scaldis. There's not L, is there? Scardis? There we go. IKEA Scardis cutter. Okay, so there is stuff on here. The search was very nice and quick, which is good because Thingiverse search is not as quick anymore. There's a lot of really cool stuff on here. Yeah, so you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm probably going to switch over to using printables now. And also, potentially, if it does have the G codes for all these things, it might even make it a step easier for me. it doesn't have the G codes for all these things. So it must be if someone has made the thing, they can upload the G code for it, which means you can then download it, put it straight onto your Raspberry Pi, which is web-based anyway, and then print the thing straight there. So you don't have to take it into a slicer, do all that kind of stuff. You can just go straight from this to that. Maybe there's even a bridge that you can use that would be able to move it from this to that instantly. That would be very interesting, because what that would mean is that you can just click download and it prints it. That would be very useful for a lot of things. But that is it for me. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Twitter, that's @MrPod2, and thanks for watching.